survival. This is the wild Amazon.
Good morning student and welcome to your SST class. Okay, some topics are completed now from this chapter. Your chapter is chapter 14, our forest and wildlife. What is forest, types of forest, conservation of forest. These topics are covering now and all topics are completed now. And this is the last topic from this chapter, that is wildlife. This is the last topic from this chapter. So everyone open your book and read in your book page number 85 to page number 85 to page number 85 to 87. Okay student, first all of you read now these pages. 85, the last paragraph. This is in your book. This is the wildlife, this one. This wildlife, page number 85, and after that 86, this 86 page number, this page number 86, all things, and after that this is the last page, that is 86 in your book. Okay student, what is the meaning of wildlife? First I will going to tell you what is the meaning of wild animals. Okay, wild animals, the animal that lives in jungle, the animal that are undomestics, like that rhino, tiger, elephant, and they live in jungle. That animals are called wild animals. Okay, and what is a wildlife? When we are studying about these animals, these wild animals, we are studying about their life and we protect them. This is wildlife. It means the life of wild animals. Okay, in our country, India is a very big country, students. Yes, you know, in our country there are how many states? 29 states. It means in our country there are large variety of different climate, weathers, different kinds of forest are. How many types of forest are found in our country? There are 5 types of forest. Yes, you know? Yes. And in our country has a large variety of wildlife. Okay, and our forests are full of wild animals, especially in Sundarban forest. Okay, and deciduous forest also. In Sundarban forest, there are Sundarban forest are the home of some tigers, and that tigers are famous for Royal Bengal tiger. And where it is found? It is found in northeastern part of our country. Okay, and we in our country, northeastern part of country, some elephants, northeastern, it means the part of here, northeastern. Look at here, this part is north and eastern part. East is here, this part is northeastern part. Okay, northeastern part of our country, that is famous for some elephants, also rhino, tiger, deer, different kinds of animals. Okay, and the deciduous forest, forests give the shelter to different kinds of animals like that bear, leopards, tiger. The Gir forest is situated in which state? It is situated in Gujarat state, and it is famous for lions. It is famous for lions, and we also have a large variety of the birds like that Bharatpur century birds. It is situated in Rajasthan. It is famous for different kinds of birds and reptiles, snakes. Okay, different kinds of animals are live there. Okay, in our country, in different states, different states have different some national parks, some national sanctuaries. It means the animals, insects, and different kinds of varieties of types of birds which live in the forest and in the sanctuaries in their natural home. Different kinds of species of mammals and birds and reptiles, their home in the natural places. If some animals are not survived properly in their natural places due to the deforestation, I told you what is the meaning of deforestation. Deforestation means, students, cutting down the trees. And what is the afforestation? Afforestation means to planting the trees in a jungle. Both are similarly same, but the first starting word is differentiate both word. Deforestation is cutting down the trees, afforestation planting the trees in a forest. All of you clear now these points very carefully. Okay, if the wild animals is not survive in their natural habitat, they very soon become extinct. Okay, like that, which animal are extinct? Like that dinosaur, dodo bird is also, yes or no? Yes, na? It means ki reforestation means the restoring the destroyed forest by the planting more and more trees. Here is a new word, that is extinct. Extinct means the animal that are not longer and that are not present time on the earth. They are extinct. Like that dodo bird and dinosaur is also in your book. Here is the picture of some dinosaurs also. Look this picture. Sometimes they are present on our earth, but now these animals are extinct. Okay. Okay. Some people hunt some animals for their uses now. Some uses now like that tiger, leopards, etc. for their skin. And people hunt some elephants. Some elephant for their skin, and elephant is killed for the ivory tusk. What is ivory tusk? Ivory tusk is a teeth, external teeth of animals. Okay, it is a external teeth of animal, and our government is banned to export the ivory and the animal's skin also. And rhino you all of you see now, and rhino have how many horn? Only one horn. And it is present, mostly rhino are present in the found in Assam, and in which park? Kaziranga National Park, and our government started to save them rhino, and they started a program, Rhino Project. Okay, to Rhino project in the Kaziranga National Park. Okay, and the rhino horn is used for many making some medicines also, and rhino is killed because of this. Hunters are killed rhino for the, why they are killed for rhino? Because its horn fetch a lot of money. They sell this horn and they get too much money. And one special variety of deer, that is musk deer, it is killed for using to making a perfume or also. Okay, I hope all of you understand about the wildlife, wild animal, what is the wild animal and what is the wildlife of animals. And tell me student, the people are hunted these animals to their use also, that's why we save that these animals. If we are hunted now this type of animal, maybe in future these are extinct for our next generation, they are extinct now, no? So we should conserve these animals from the hunters. Yes or no? Yes na? So which type of programs are doing now for our, starting by our government, and what are we doing now? So start, I am tell you some points are here. Conservation of, why these things are need now. Conservation conservation of wild animals, wildlife. Wildlife, it means conservation of wild animals. We are studying about for this. It means to protect. What is the meaning of first thing? To protect our wild life. And the government is started. The government has decided to declare forest to protected area. And these protected area is called, some places are decided to declare, and government is declared this forest area is protected by the government, and that protected area is called national park and wildlife sanctuaries. It means, what is the meaning of these words, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries? It means the animals, they are live in that places in natural habitat. Okay, that area is protected by the government. If any person hunted any animal, it means that person the person should be punished by the government. Okay, that area is banned for hunting, and in that places the animal are live very freely. Okay, that area, that national park are protected by the government. Okay, there are in our country, there are near about 150 wildlife sanctuary. How many sanctuaries are? National parks, okay, and wildlife, national park and sanctuaries are also wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, in our country there are 150 wildlife sanctuaries near about, and in these places the wildlife is protected by the, according to the governments. And what type of step are starting government? Starting government and the government starting some forest officers, some forest guards, and they protect these areas. And the some national park are like in our country like that. Jim National Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, and Kaziranga National Park is in Assam, and that is famous for rhino. And the Gir Sanctuary in Gujarat, it is famous for lion. And the Periyar National Park, it is famous for elephant, and it is found in Kerala. And Manas is also in Assam. These are national park in our country, famous, and tourist attraction places also. And Bharatpur Sanctuary, Bird Sanctuary is Rajasthan, and Ghana Sanctuary is also, and some different national parks are found in our countries also. And these are very attractive tourist places also. And these areas, these national park are protected by the government. Okay, and this is your work, students. Here is the some picture in your map. Look at here, everyone, in your book. Look at here, everyone. This part is Jammu and Kashmir, and this pointed part, this is Corbett National Park, and this part is Uttarakhand. Okay, and here is Assam. Periyar is here, this national park. Okay, here is Gujarat. This is the Gujarat. Here is Gir. Here is the Bharatpur Sanctuary in Rajasthan. Look at here, everyone, in your book. Okay, and this is the Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga. Yes, you know. So everyone fill now here some national parks, and here is the different clues in your book. This blue color is Wildlife Sanctuary, and this green color is Bird Sanctuary. This area is protected for birds especially. These are national park, blue color, and red is Biosphere Rivers, and Tiger Project is also showing is black color. Here red color is showing Biosphere Reserve, and this is Tiger Project is also. Okay, and this national park is a natural habitat of our wild animals, and it is protected by the government. Okay, and the animals and plants in an area and their interrelationship, it means both are the helping to each other. Interrelationship with each other and their surroundings is called ecosystem, and we all are the part of ecosystem. Okay, students, and this picture is the dinosaurs picture in your book, and at the present time they are not present on the earth, dinosaurs. Okay, this time they are extinct species. Okay, so this chapter is finished now. Okay, in next class we will discuss the book exercise of this chapter.